Your body feels like it's held together by duct tape and spite. Your hips are tight, your back aches, and getting out of bed sounds like a percussion concert of snaps and pops. You don't need a full yoga class or an hour of foam rolling. You need 5 stretches. That's it. 5 movements that undo years of sitting, slouching, and pretending your body doesn't need maintenance. Let me fix that. Here's the problem with most stretching advice. It's either too complicated or completely useless. You get handed a list of 20 movements and told to hold each one for a minute while you question every life decision that led you here. Nobody does that. Nobody has time for that. And then there's the other extreme, people who think touching their toes once a week counts as flexibility training. Spoiler, it doesn't. Your hamstrings don't care about that one half-hearted reach you did before your run. What actually works is consistency with the right stretches. Movements that target the areas where modern life does the most damage: hips, spine, chest, and posterior chain. These 5 stretches hit all of them. Do them daily, or at least most days, and watch your body stop hating you. Stretch number 1, the hip flexor stretch, also known as the antidote to sitting. If you sit for more than a few hours a day, which, let's be honest, describes most of us, your hip flexors are probably shorter than your attention span. Tight hip flexors pull your pelvis forward, create lower back pain, and make your glutes forget how to do their job. Here's how to fix it. Get into a half-kneeling position, back knee on the ground, front foot flat. Tuck your pelvis under, like you're trying to flatten your lower back, and shift your weight forward until you feel a stretch in the front of your back hip. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds each side. Breathe into it. Don't bounce. And if you want extra credit, raise the arm on the same side as your back knee overhead and lean slightly away from that hip. Do this daily and your lower back will send you a thank you card. Stretch 2, cat-cow, your spine's favorite wake-up call. Your spine is designed to move, flex, extend, twist, but if you spend most of your day in one position, those segments get stiff and cranky. Cat-cow gently mobilizes your entire spine and reminds it that movement exists. Here's how. Get on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. On an inhale, drop your belly toward the floor, lift your chest, and look up. That's cow. On an exhale, round your back toward the ceiling, tuck your chin, and push the floor away. That's cat. Move slowly, 10 to 15 reps. Let each segment of your spine move individually instead of just flopping through the motion like a dying fish. This is perfect for mornings, pre-workout, or anytime your back feels like it's been vacuum sealed in a sitting position. Number 3, the doorway chest stretch, because your chest and shoulders are probably tighter than your schedule. Every time you hunch over a phone, laptop, or steering wheel, your chest muscles shorten and your shoulders round forward. Over time, this creates that cave person posture that screams, "I've never seen sunlight." The doorway stretch opens everything back up. Stand in a doorway, place your forearms on the door frame, elbows at about 90 degrees. Step 1 foot forward and lean through until you feel a stretch across your chest and front shoulders. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Play with your arm height. Higher hits the upper chest, lower hits the lower chest. Do this daily and people will start commenting on how much taller you look. You won't be taller, you'll just finally be standing upright like a human instead of a comma. Stretch 4, the frog stretch. It's weird, it's uncomfortable, and it works incredibly well.
Your inner thighs and groin get tight from, you guessed it, sitting. The frog stretch opens up your hips in a way that most other stretches miss. It also looks ridiculous, so maybe do this one at home. Get on all fours, slowly widen your knees as far as comfortable, keeping your feet in line with your knees. Lower down onto your forearms and let your hips sink toward the floor. Hold for 60 to 90 seconds. This one needs time. Don't rush it or force it. Let gravity do the work while you contemplate why you ignored your hips for so long. If it's too intense, don't go as wide. You can also rock gently forward and back to find the tight spots. Stretch 5, the supine spinal twist, the perfect finisher. This stretch targets your lower back, glutes, and the muscles that run along your spine. It's also oddly relaxing, like your body finally gets to unwind after a day of being crunched into weird positions. Here's how. Lie on your back, bring one knee up toward your chest, then let it fall across your body toward the opposite side. Keep both shoulders on the ground and extend the arm on the same side as the bent knee for a deeper stretch. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds each side. Breathe deeply and let your lower back release into the floor. This one is perfect for bedtime. It tells your nervous system to calm down and resets your spine after a day of questionable posture decisions. All right, let's put it all together. Here's your daily stretch routine in under 10 minutes. 1. Hip flexor stretch, 30 seconds each side, 60 seconds total. 2. Cat-cow, 15 reps, slow and controlled, 90 seconds. 3. Doorway chest stretch, 45 seconds, 45 seconds. 4. Frog stretch, 90 seconds, 90 seconds. 5. Supine spinal twist, 30 seconds each side, 60 seconds. Total time, about 7 minutes. That's it. Less than half an episode of whatever you're binge watching. Do this every day, or at least 5 days a week. Consistency beats intensity. A little bit daily does more than an hour once a week. A few quick tips to make these actually work. Tip 1. Breathe into the stretch. Holding your breath creates tension. Slow exhales help your muscles relax and let go. Tip 2. Never stretch cold. A few minutes of light movement, walking, arm circles, primes your muscles before you try to lengthen them. Tip 3. Discomfort is okay. Pain is not. You should feel a stretch, not a sharp or stabbing sensation. If it hurts, back off. Tip 4. Morning or night, pick a time and stick to it. Attaching stretching to an existing habit makes it automatic. Now, these 5 stretches target the areas that suffer most from modern life. Your hips, spine, chest, and lower back will all thank you. You don't need an hour. You don't need equipment. You just need 7 minutes and the willingness to actually do it. Start tonight or tomorrow morning. Just start. Drop your tightest area in the comments. Hips, back, shoulders, so I know what videos to make next. And if you've been ignoring stretching entirely, type "I've been lying to myself" so we can hold each other accountable. Now, go stretch.